In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up product bundles in Odoo. If you want to give customers a grouped product experience where they can choose specific items within a bundle, Odoo's combo product type is a great way to do it. This is especially useful for customizable offers, meal-style bundles, kits, or package deals where the customer can select from different options during the sales process. I'll walk you through the setup from start to finish so you can create the bundle correctly and use it in a quotation or sales order. Start by opening the Sales app in Odoo. Once you're there, go to Products, then Products. This is where you'll create the bundle itself as a product. Click New to create a new product for the bundle. In the product name field, enter the name you want to use for your bundle. Choose a name that clearly describes the offer, since this is what your sales team and customers will see on documents like quotations and sales orders. Next, set the product type to Combo. This is the key setting that tells Odoo this product is not just a standard item, but a bundle made up of selectable choices. After that, go to the Choices section and click Add a line. This is where you define the options available inside the bundle. You can create new combo choices or select existing ones, depending on how your database is already organized. The idea here is to build the groups of products that customers will be able to choose from. Once the choices are in place, add the individual products you want included in each choice. For example, each choice can contain different items that fit within that category of the bundle. This gives you flexibility while keeping the product setup structured and easy to manage. If some products should cost more than others when selected, set an extra price for those items. This is useful when certain options are considered premium upgrades. It ensures the final sales price reflects the customer's selection accurately. When everything looks right, save the product bundle. At this point, the combo product is ready to be used in a live sales workflow. Now add the combo product to a quotation or sales order. As soon as you do, Odoo will let you select the products for each combo choice to complete the bundle. This is the final step that turns the setup into an actual customer-ready order. And that's it. You've successfully created a product bundle in Odoo using the combo product type and made it available for sales selection. Thanks for watching.